This is Optimal Finance Daily, episode 1137, Are Home Warranties Worth It? By Mike Ballew of Eggstack.com. And I'm Dan, I'm your host. A happy Monday to you. Hope your week is off to a good start. And as I said, I've got a post from Mike from Eggstack talking about home warranties. So let's get right to it and start optimizing your life. Are home warranties worth it? By Mike Ballew of Eggstack.com. No, home warranties are not worth it. Home warranties are forced savings for people who don't have the self-discipline to save. Items that predictably wear out from normal use are not good applications for insurance. Good insurance. There are two kinds of insurance in this world, good insurance and bad insurance. Good insurance is relatively inexpensive, and it covers tragedies which are highly unlikely to occur, but if one did, it would wipe you out completely. An example of good insurance is homeowners insurance. If you own a home and have a mortgage, you have homeowners insurance. It covers calamities such as fires, earthquakes, floods, tornadoes, and hurricanes, depending on the policy. It's relatively inexpensive considering how much it pays if you have a claim. On average, homeowners insurance costs about $100 per month. If your home burns to the ground, the insurance company is on the hook for the home's entire value. Homeowners insurance is inexpensive because there is little risk that something like that will happen to you. Do things like that happen? Sure, every day. But will they happen to you? Highly unlikely. Bad insurance. Bad insurance is just the opposite. It costs a lot and pays very little. A home warranty is an example of bad insurance. Home warranties cost anywhere from $300 to $900 per month. Yet, if you have a claim, they don't pay anywhere near what homeowners insurance pays. Home warranties come with numerous deductibles, limitations, and exclusions. Chances are, if you have a home warranty and you file a claim, you will be disappointed with the results. Are we saying that something illegitimate or untoward is going on here? No, not at all. Home warranties are perfectly legit, and people who buy them get exactly what they signed up for. We're saying it's a bad application for insurance. The items typically covered by a home warranty include major appliances like refrigerators and washing machines, as well as a home's heating and cooling system and water heater. The useful lives of those items are well documented. It's not a mystery if your heating and cooling system stops working after 15 years, or your washing machine conks out when it turns 10 years old. What is insurance? Let's step back for a moment and examine the basic concept of insurance. What is it? Well, in the simplest terms, insurance is a group of people pooling their money together to cover the cost of something catastrophic happening to one of them. Insurance exists so that a person with the misfortune of experiencing a major calamity does not have to pay for it all by themselves. Insurance performs well when the risk is low and the potential damages are high, like homeowners insurance. The low risk drives down the cost, making it affordable for everyone. Conversely, when the risk is high and the damages are low, insurance performs poorly, like a home warranty. The premiums get pricey and you don't get as much bang for your buck. As we said at the outset, home warranties are essentially forced savings for people who cannot save on their own. If you set aside an amount of money equal to the typical home warranty premium each month, you will have more than enough to replace household items when they wear out. Self-insurance versus home warranty. The concept of self-insurance is nothing new. In fact, we do it every day. Anything that you pay for out of your pocket instead of going through an insurance company is a form of self-insurance. Here's a question. Do you ever get hungry? Sure you do. Everyone does. Do you have hunger insurance? No, that would be ridiculous. When you get hungry, you go to the store or a restaurant and you get something to eat. It's the same with owning a home. Every day you use the items in your home, and it is perfectly natural for them to wear out. It's predictable, like getting hungry. You don't need to insure against things that are totally predictable. Insurance companies. Insurance companies are in business to make money. If they don't make money, they go out of business. How do insurance companies make money? By taking in more money than they pay out. On top of taking in more than they pay out, insurance companies take in enough to pay for all their business expenses, like television commercials, office buildings, and the salaries of everyone who works for them. The CEO alone makes more money in a year than most people make in a lifetime. If insurance companies have enough money to pay for all that, doesn't it make sense that you're better off insuring yourself? You get to keep the extra money that would have gone to pay for the insurance company's advertising and fixed costs and payroll. Closing thoughts. With the exception of insuring against low-risk, high-damage disasters like those covered by homeowners insurance, you're always better off insuring yourself. You don't need a home warranty. Take the money you would have spent on a home warranty and put it in the bank. You will have more than enough to maintain your home, and with what's left over, you can take your family on a nice vacation. You just listened to the post titled, "Are Home Warranties Worth It?" by Mike Ballew of Eggstack.com. And this episode is brought to you by Magic Spoon. I don't know about you, but having desserts is a favorite part of my day. But I really should decrease my sugar intake, and we all probably should, which means eliminating sugary cereals from my morning breakfast. I was disappointed until I came across Magic Spoon, the world's first low-carb, high-protein cereal that contains 0 grams of sugar, 12 grams of protein, and only 3 net grams of carbs in each serving. They come in my favorite flavor, frosted, which reminded me of some of my favorites I had as a kid, but without the aftertaste, along with some other options like fruity, cocoa, and blueberry. The best part is it's keto-friendly, gluten-free, grain-free, soy-free, low-carb, and GMO-free. Go to magicspoon.com/OFD to grab a variety pack and try it today. And be sure to use our promo code OFD at checkout to get free shipping. And Magic Spoon is so confident in their product, it's backed with a 100% happiness guarantee. So if you don't like it for any reason, they'll refund your money, no questions asked. That's magicspoon.com/OFD and use the code OFD for free shipping. And we thank Magic Spoon for sponsoring the podcast. And I want to give a really quick happy birthday shout out to Talon, Lee's son, who is turning 4 today. If you didn't know, Lee is the co-founder of the show Optimal Living Daily, along with our whole network of podcasts, and he used to host Optimal Business Daily before I took it over. And speaking of celebration, we know that a whole lot of people out there are missing their birthday and wedding celebrations and other festivities during this time, or just scaling them back to just a family event at their own home. And we do hope that you stay safe and healthy during this period of time and do avoid those big group gatherings until this all blows over. In the meantime, if you have any questions about everything that's going on, you can feel free to send one in to advice@oldpodcast.com. That's where our narrator and life coach, Greg Audino, answers your questions. But I'll leave it there for today. That is a wrap for another Monday Optimal Finance Daily. Hope you're having a great day and a good start to your week. And I'll be back with you tomorrow where I'll have a post from the College Investor. So I'll see you there where your optimal life awaits.